Mama's been kidnapped, does it?
What?
Senzo accidentally used the funds the NBI to cover his own expenses.
What?
He faked his CV. Bengazala balinqela legaza no.
Nothulane naye wakutrick.
Are you watching me now?
I like to check abantu abangikolodayo. So uma ucabanga ukuthi ungangibalekela.
Being expected more from you.
Sibusiso ziningi izinto bezenza ngaleso sikhathi. Senzo was just catching up.
Uma ngenzeka lento iphuma.
Ngizoyisota yonke lento noJacques, okay?
What he doesn't know can't hurt him.
What about yona yethu?
I put a lead on it. Ngiyabonga ukuthi uze kimi. Nina nobabili bengameli ningifihlele lento.
Penya was just looking out for Senzo. All I meant was...
I know what you meant. And you have a point. It's important that we have each other's backs. Kodwa bengamele ningi-exclude. Ezweni is my legacy. Amaphutha afana nalawa angacekela phansi yonke lento esengijulukele kanzima.
Just step down. Ucela ngabe ready ke. Responsibility.
Umuntu uyazenza bazama.
If Senzo yekho ready,
He deserves a second chance.
Enough. Ngizodecide ukuthi lento ngihandlisha kanjani. But let's get one thing clear. Ukusukela manje ngifuna ukwazi yonke into eyenzakalayo. Ngisho ngabancane kangakanani. I am Ezweni Communications. And lokho kusonse kwashintsha.
Ngiyothatha ishaka.
Badla kubula.
No, it's fine. Ngenzeka ukuthi uChopo uzocomplain about something.
You get it Peter every time ngikubona.
Zokwenzani?
Ngilibuthatha fa.
Isikhashana nje ukhapha uzilile nje wena.
He's my...
Old friend and also a bodyguard.
Bodyguard. Uzivikela kubani ke? For sure I mean.
Funani kubona?
Enale ndawo le inuke ngathi seshibhini. Benibuza izolo.
Kumele ngilungiselele emsebenzini.
Usazongibonga. Ngitholile.
Ngilahlile.
Ungayenza njani into enjalo? I put a lot of thought in what to send you, Only the best. For my best friend.
Cela uhambe.
Angindawo.
Umuntu uyilapha.
Uxoshele into la.
Clearly you're not welcome here.
Oh, okay. Uma uthi ufuna sikhuluma ibusiness yethu ke phambi kwakhe.
It's okay. Ungangidindi emnyango.
Vele ngasizongithaphetse nsona.
Ngizokubiza mangabe ngikudinga. Angifune inkinga mina.
Nami ngokunjalo. Into engiyifunayo imali yami nje qha.
Ngitsho manje bayingandoni nalento. Xakekile mina.
It's what of advice? Do you realize what you're letting yourself in for? Ka oberekela motho o tshwana le Queen.
Andina choice.
I heard her threatening to pull out.
Ngoku ufuna ukuthatha indawo yakhe wena? Andikufuni ke mina uba ube yipartner yami.
Oh, come on. That hurt, Patty. Fela ga se se ke batla go bua le wena ka sone se. Amen. O itse Queen ke mongwe ditsala tsa ka o tswa kgale. You know, and she's had some bad luck, kari business. But I want this coffee thing yalo na gore ibereke.
Kunjalo nam. Sifake zonke i-savings zethu apha.
You see, Queen is the creative type. You know, no, serious. I mean, I work with people like this every single day. You know, as business people.
Itsho phinde. Akana unomtyhilo ukuba kusetyenzwa njani napha bandle.
Mofe project yaka idirisa ge. Give us something to keep her busy.
Hayi understand ke ngoku.
Well, when I batla chelete mo budget ya lona ne, and then tell her to spend it on whatever she thinks you need.
Hayi. Lelo na cebo lake labalibe
No, yeah, guy, think about it. You know, while she's out spending it, then you can focus on the real business. Yeah, will supplier, you know, set up deals. Say business course, yeah. But sometimes you have to spend money to make money.
Hayi bandazi.
Okay, I'll blame. This way you will focus on the real business. But hey, it's up to you.
Siza emapoliseni once we know what Kimberly wants.
Uthina ngekafoni nje. Why hasn't she made any demands?
Yazi MJ. Mhlambi naye akayazi ba ufuna ntwana ngiqonda bayicingisisile lento.
Amapolisa angamfumana. Uba silinde ixesha elide, we don't know what she'll do to mom.
Kuthanda uthanda ubeka ingqondo yakhe emaqatheni nje.
I am using my head. Amapolisa will know how to deal with this. I don't get why you're stalling.
To make sure mom's safe. Kimberly's been in jail most of her life. If we threaten her in any way,
Akanoba staying ngolo hlobo.
Oh really? Ucinga uba kidnapping someone is a smart move?
Andito, you know, we can't do this on our own.
Yes, we can. I need you to trust me. Ndikufuna kwicala lam.
You don't even have a plan.
Damn it, MJ, just leave it. Yo, wat gaan? Niks.
Are you nix?
I have it under control.
Hi, I call Londo up. And it's time for you to accept that. Kimberly kidnapped mom.
What?
Ewe. And Nolun doesn't want to call the police.
What are you telling me? It's an option. Anqinisekanga ba inyani.
Indlela boqiniseke ngayo ke izolo.
Okay, you know, this is not happening. I'm sure Hoda, there is an explanation.
Usimoshela ngexesha lakho. The phone's been disconnected.
How long have you, like, why Sanjayla?
Ndifuna uqinisekisa kuqala.
Is that why you were fishing yesterday? Why no worry tigayena?
Benifuna ukuxelela kodwa Noluntu
Kimberly hasn't contacted me yet. I didn't want to worry you before I knew more. Bensazi ba uzasityola sisi.
Come on, why again so? Huh?
Honey, obviously. Yilonto busy apha kwasekuqaleni. She was trying to figure out the best way to get out of us as much as possible.
And she figured Dubs was an easy target.
I'm glad you know. Now you can convince Mr. MJ over here. Ufuna emapoliseni.
No, alright, Lundu. We have to call them to listen no.
Kungayingozi sisi.
It's the only way to find them.
No, it is not.
It's 2 against 1, Noluntu.
Yeah.
Well, the court has put me in charge of Mama. Kwaye ndithi masilinde. Andiqondi uba Kimberly ufuna umanzakalisa. She's scared and she's confused. Let's give her time to come to her senses.
No, Lundu, I do not like this. No.
Neither do I.
Masilinde kude kube yi-weekend. Then we can figure out what to do. Together. Yes?
Ngizoyithumela straight away. Okay.
So, ule ready ukazama?
I've decided to work from home namhlanje.
Kika mailana lemathakula ne? Is it the reason I'm here?
No, umngani loyo.
Don't give me that. Ko bona ka tsela no tshogile ka yona.
Doesn't matter, okay?
Ke fa go sireletsa. I can only do that if umpolela dilo tsotlhe.
Ngeke uzokwazi ukungivikela.
Yes, I can. It's what I do. But ke kopa dintlha tsotlhe.
It's complicated.
I'm on your side.
As in, ngibe nehaba really. Ngibongile. I won't need your services anymore.
What does this guy have on you?
Nothing. Wena nginenkinga naye.
But ke fa go thusa.
Ngifuna isizo lakho, angifuna isizo lamuntu. Hamba. Ngithe, hamba.
I don't have time right now.
Jagarenga audit.
I decided it wasn't worth it.
What? You're not yet you could take over NMTV?
Not as long as Siso's involved. He'll just convince Jacques it was an innocent mistake and we'll look like the bad people.
That's nonsense. It's fraud. Jacques wouldn't just ignore that. If Rabat nagetlae.
Hayi.
Why not?
Andifuna uyenze cha ke.
It's not up to you. Can you decide that?
I still have those pictures of Akon. Ngakulinga undenze ndisebenzise. Yeke man, okay?
What happened? Who got you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
King Senzo. Osanzo Marata.
Don't be ridiculous. He's at Lomo.
They have something on you. Like I know you have something on me.
Busy.
Mpolelele, go nka kgona ke go thusa.
Yeah, man. I don't want to have to use those pictures, but I will. Now, please. Jeez.
Ngena. Hayibo. Ubekwa yini la? Uphukhethiwe. Bengicabanga ukuthi uyibodyguard.
I was. Empa unkubile.
Yindaba. Wenzeni?
Hakadira sepe. Khona le mothago Khuboni.
Oh. Ushilo ukuthi he's back in town.
Came past this morning, spoke to you about some business they had. The next thing she tells me to get out.
Oh, kulukuthi umuntu loyana.
I figured as much.
Ubeboshiwe. Uphume last year. Had a grudge against her late husband.
That guy has thug written all over his face. Something's not right. Kethu is in trouble.
Yazini. Ngizokhuluma noKhethiwe. Mhlambe uzongitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani.
He's not the kind of man Kethu should do business with. Whatever it is, it's very dangerous.
And he just gets away with a slap on the wrist.
You don't know that.
Usenzo kufuneka dead ku NMTV. But no. And I thought Jason, well, yabona lemiyeko lena. He's working his way back into Siso's good books.
Maybe we should postpone our cruise.
No. So,
It won't be much fun with you in this mood.
No, I'm not going to allow family politics to interfere with Impilo's. No, you deserve that trip.
I won't hold it against you.
No, Sihamba. As soon as I'm going to clear boat, I promise you, I'm not going to bring any of this up again.
Are you sure?
You were great this morning. I mean, you stood up for me.
Told you I'll be there for you.
Yeah, I know. Now. I think he's coming around.
Oba? Are ra go ikhutsa? Go nkare bua se Siso tla bona re go tlhoka go lekana ka.
Hey, man, Katelong, proof, man.
See it as a challenge. Who knows? Maybe we can find a way to push Yana you two out of the NMTV deal.
Hey, Bo. Where did that come from?
Jason's power hungry. Makes me nervous. If they're out of the picture.
Yes. The first guy the man sends away to the family when I need to say that.
Ubani?
Yimina Pula. Usebenzela khona namhlanje?
Bengenama meeting, so it helps me relax.
If you're this anxious, umqoshela no sticks.
Oh, sure mnoni uzogijimela kuwena.
Ukhathazekile ngawe, nami futhi.
Njengoba ngishilo kuyena, ngibe nehaba. Akekho umuntu ozama ukungilimaza.
Pho ufuna nokhubona? Uma ngabe uyakuthreatenisha, Khethiwe.
Angithreatenishi. Hawu, ubaza ungichecka nje.
Why ungihambela manga?
Ufuna ngimrupe?
Ngifuna iqiniso. Ngifuna ukukusiza.
Ngeke ngicela usizo lakho.
Whatever it is, Khethiwe, it can't be that bad.
Hey.
Benze njalo abangani Khethiwe. Bayasizana uma omunye senkingeni. Ukuba ungandophulela nge20% singakubhatala cash. Ndiyayithatha. Enkosi. Kube nemini emnandi. ndiyonke imali eninzi.
Udese mokusene.
Into endiyifundiswe ikiosk, ii-suppliers zinomdla ukunegotiator. Oma ukwenze kucela.
Yeah, and not have Queen around to embarrass you.
Yayazi, sizi-partners, kodwa ke kulula gqitha ukusebenza ngaphandle kwakhe.
Maruti ka tšhelete yotlhe e o kgonne go e save gompieno. Tshwanetse mo fe a few bucks just to play around with.
Ndisayongela ntoni ke ngoku xa ndiza kuphisa ngayo?
Actually, you're going to benefit from it as well because I spend no more shop.
Ukuba ndingonga kwizinto zokuklina, mhlawumbi ndingenze ininzana for ideko.
No. Look, like I said, don't specify when. Just tell her to spend it on whatever she wants. You know, I mean, that way, she's in charge.
Eish, hayi umsebenzi onzima kakhulu ke ngoku ukuzama ungakhathaza uQueen.
Yeah. But look, don't stress. It's only up until you guys open, you know. And I I'm probably too busy over there to even interfere. And I mean, right or Queen speed road. In no time, you will be running that place all by yourself.
Ndisayidingela ntoni ke ngoku ipartner?
God, Queen is a great hostess. Hey, Betty. And on top of that, she knows a lot of people by Lorbatsama, coffee shop. And we're a media company, and we all know that advertising is very important. Listen, you need her as much as she needs you. Ufunele.
Eish.
Uyathemba uphathele indaba ezimnandi.
Yabona indaba ezimnandi ngitshelile nje ngathi anginayo imali.
Hey, ukuzwile ukuthi you've been paid out. 6 months uphelile manje. Longest 6 months of my life.
Imali eningi bayinikeza impilo. Ngeke ngikwazi ukuyithinta.
Ungayithinta uma wakhe nje wena. Ungenza noma into oyifunayo.
How do I even know you really hell over the detonator?
Hey, give me a break, man. Kindoda ethembekile mina. Especially abantu abangani bami.
Hey, angena umngani wakho. Get that into your head.
Aw. Kuko konke sesidlule kona. Kuko konke engikwenzele kona.
Uzongiblackmail impilo yami yonke ngithi.
Nozani leso ulungisa imfanelo zami. Uyazi ukuthi kuhard kangakanani for mina ukuthola isipani.
Yini abantu abamethemba umbulali? That's a surprise.
Waphinda umbiza ngale nto.
Fine, I'll transfer some money.
Hey, angwathenga mama bank account. Cash on nothing.
Ukani ngizothatha imali ingaka ngalesi sikhathi?
Bonelanga lonke. Qhamuka neplan. Uzobuya in a couple of hours.
Hayibo, hayi lana. Impilo uzobe sebuyile. I'll meet you somewhere.
Okay, downtown ebar. 7 o'clock. Angifuni ukukulinda.
Uphathe detonator.
Of course. That's a deal.
That's very good to hear. Please keep informed and say hi to Mawande. Okay, bye-bye.
You're joining us for dinner?
Ngizocela uBethina ukuthi ubami angilethele la.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of catching up to do.
Something.
Sure. Khona kwenye?
Yeah. Usenzo. Ndiyathemba into yoba awuziba lukhuni kuye.
Yeah, ngidumazwe ngempela.
Ewe ndiyavuma uzenzile impazamo yena. But he's learned from them.
Ngingayibheka le report. Akusona ama mistake nje ambalwa. It was careless.
Andiqinisekanga uba ngaba it was entirely his fault. The way Penyo put Senzo in charge, he gave in so easily.
Bengicabanga ukuthi bekuyi-idea kaJack.
He suggested it, kodwa still bexhomeke kuPenyo. He handed over the reins instantly, and Senzo relied on him for his advice.
Qonda ukuthini?
It was Penyo who called in the auditors, right after Senzo took over. Interesting timing, don't you think?
Bayasengathi I underestimated Penyo once again.
Ndiqonde uba manikwazisa.
Ngiyabonga ngeloyalty yakho. Cela Bethina ukuthi dinner yami ngilethele la please.
Okay.
Samele ngidla amathambo enqondo.
Yes, sir.
ndize ngoxolo Queen.
I'm not sure that's possible.
Ndiyilungisile ibudget. Ikhona enye imali. Ukuba nje ungandiyekela njongane nee-suppliers, ngayifumana lo mali nakwintoni na oyifunayo.
Anything?
Evenkile kaloku.
Obviously, darling. That song has it right. It sounds too good to be true.
Hayi bo. Ngizama nje ukukunika ithuba lokuba ube creative. Ukuthi kulonto.
You're not trying to get me out of the way.
Dohlula umsebenzi. Ungcono wena ekuhombiseni. Sisitayile sakho.
Didn't it? Fela urile anything.
Ndiyacinga ukuba ufuna ukuyisebenzisa ekuhombiseni. Kwizinto ezinjengesibalo sihle.
Well, the interior is sorted, so I'll use it for something else. Something special. How much do I have?
Hey, you drink a lot for a woman, eh?
You are late.
Awutshela. Iqaleni lento before after kushona kwaKaphela.
You press it, detonate.
Asibone imali. Yile.
20,000.
Kwenzeni 20,000?
It's all I have.
Bull. Imilone wena. Yabona into yenza ukuthi kungidelele.
Everything else is in a trust for my son. I can't touch it.
Okay ke. Isiqalo senza malini ngenyanga?
What?
Ngithi senza malini?
Zibhaliswe ngegama lampilo and usupposed to udla umikho on.
Find out.
Wait. If it detonate.
The down payment le. You better do better than that, otherwise it's a wash.
Excuse me. Don't you think you've had enough?
Hey.
Look, I've been there before. Believe me, it's not worth it. Get yourself some help.
Hey, man. Ubani wena? Ngiyangihlola madoda.
Or not.
I'm jealous. Where are we going on a break?
It would be nice to go somewhere warm. Did you go overseas?
You must enjoy it, guys.
Well, that's the plan.
Sasile.
Oh, ngiyajabula ukuthi ngitholile.
Nikhona.
Le NMTV situation ngeke ngathi uyicabangisisa. I can't just let it go. Ngizothatha over when ngizobuyela to running Mobile TV South Africa and New Horizons.
Understand. If ufuna ngibeke NMTV
No.
yo.
I'm coming back as CEO. When bekufuneka ube in charge and you dropped the ball.
Mina bengitshela ukuthi usenze uyayazi ndayenzayo.
Not good enough. The buck stops with you. Masenibuyele kule trip nyana yenu, you'll head up our legal department.
That's a demotion.
I have to do what's best for the company.